how to switch to professional account on Instagram. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, simply open Instagram in your mobile phone. Now click on down right search profile pic. Once we click here, you guys will see edit profile, chat profile. On top right corner, you guys can see 3 lines. But I will simply click on edit profile. Once I click on edit profile here, you guys will see name, username, pronouns, bio. But you will scroll. Then scroll, you guys can see switch to professional account. Personal information show that your profile is verified. Simply click on switch to professional account. Once you click here, you guys can simply click on next. Now you guys can suggest your category, so I simply click on artist. Now I will simply click on switch to professional account. Here I will simply wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see creator, business, simple select the one. I will simply select creator. Now I click on next. Now I will simply click on OK. Now again I will simply click on not now. And that's it. My account will be professional account. Here you guys can see verify these things, but it's up on you. Simply click on cross. And that's it. Our account will be switched to professional account. Like you guys can see professional dashboard. Thanks for watching.